United States peace plan sparks a massive market rally and crushes crude oil. Welcome. This is Daily Market in 3 minutes. Let's dive in Wall Street. The S&P 500 climbed 36 points to close near 6,592. The tech-heavy Nasdaq added 168 points to finish near 21,930. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 305 points to close at 46,429. The Magnificent Seven saw mostly green today. Nvidia jumped nearly 2%, and Amazon rallied over 2%. Tesla, Apple, and Meta posted modest gains. Alphabet traded flat, while Microsoft dipped 0.5%. Looking at sectors, energy, materials, utilities, and technology were today's biggest winners. Meanwhile, communication services and real estate stocks closed the session lower. In commodities and crypto, Bitcoin advanced roughly 2% near $71,000. Gold surged 3% to roughly $4,552, and silver climbed to $72. West Texas Intermediate crude dropped nearly 4% to roughly $89 a barrel. The primary catalyst today was a leaked 15-point peace plan delivered from the United States to Iran. The proposal aims to establish a 30-day ceasefire and reopen the Strait of Hormuz. Although Iran publicly denied negotiations, the prospect of a resolution caused a massive liquidation of the war premium, sending oil prices tumbling and lifting equities. In technology, ARM Holdings shattered its 35-year business model by announcing its first physical silicon chip for artificial intelligence infrastructure. Shares soared 16% as the company shifts to manufacturing data center chips. This massive pivot energized the semiconductor sector, fueling strong gains in Nvidia and the Nasdaq. The 10-year Treasury yield eased to 4.33%, while the 10 to 2-year yield curve spread widened to 31 basis points. The US dollar index hovered near 99.5, and the VIX volatility index fell to 25.3. Falling yields and cooling volatility encouraged risk-taking across most equity sectors today, easing recent inflation concerns. Despite the market rally, the CNN Fear and Greed Index remained firmly in the extreme fear zone with a score of 17. This suggests investors remain deeply anxious about the Middle East conflict and are still demanding a high-risk premium despite today's positive price action. Looking ahead, the market outlook remains fragile as traders balance artificial intelligence growth against the persistent fog of war and stagflationary headwinds. Volatility will likely persist until a definitive ceasefire materializes. In the coming days, keep an eye on Friday, March 27 when the government announces final rules for the domestic biofuel program, and the University of Michigan releases its revised consumer sentiment data. Additionally, watch for key earnings from Nike on March 31st. As always, this video is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.